saved at the moment is a lot. I think we're about 4 weeks ahead. In the foundation phase at the moment, this project is for Fisher and Paykel Healthcare. We're building research facilities and labs, as well as office space. And other Dominion projects we've had SmartForm, and I think they've worked pretty well, so that's why we've opted to use them here. And yeah, I think it's been real good.
SmartForm is a revolutionary sacrificial formwork system. It's ideal for forming ground beams, pile caps, tower crane bases and any in-ground formwork applications. It's really fast to install, it's lightweight, easy to handle.
With traditional formwork, would obviously be a lot of the excavations will be a lot wider, a lot more site concrete, and as well as traditional boxing, we need more areas for bracing. With SmartForm, there's minimal excavations, and all we need to do is pretty much site concrete, DPM or waterproofing, drop the cage in with the SmartForm attached, backfill, and that's all it. The biggest benefit with SmartForm, I believe, is time and labour. Just get probably 2 or 4 guys in, following behind the steel fixers, just placing it, that's it. Our work with PAC's been good. I've been working quite closely with Ben, as well as just using the website, so it's been real easy to use.
PowerPack manufacture SmartForm. We can deliver it nationwide. We've got processing plants in Auckland, Kapiti Coast, Wellington and Christchurch, so we can easily deliver to your project. It comes flat packed, pre-formed, ready to install on site. If you have a project where you've got ground beams or pile caps, foundations, you can use SmartForm. Send us your plans and our estimating team will calculate exactly what you need for that project, including delivery to site. At PowerPack, we can also provide all the other accessories that are required for the SmartForm system, which is your ground chairs, tie wire. We also supply all the form ply and tech screws and fixings that you require on site as well.
SmartForm's just smart, it's easy to use. SmartForm.